Today I'm with Jana. We're gonna do some artistic, tasty, black and white based photo shoot. She's my favorite model, and this time she came up to me and she wanted me to do these type of photos that you can see here, but I'll show it on the screen. So I'm gonna teach you and show you how to do these things in your own living room or bedroom. We are in the bedroom now, in case you haven't noticed. And now she's putting on her nipple covers, and that's it. For YouTube friendly, I pixelated for now, but from now on pixels are off. We're back to normal life. Now we are safe. Our children are safe. Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna start with the first shooting, the first photo. We have practiced that in a way because in the photo bed where that model is laying down was dark, black. Hope so, because it's black and white, cannot tell. And we had a very wide bed sheet here, but we improvised. Jana brought some towels, nice looking towels, thinks you want to use them. And we are gonna show you how to do it now with one single light. In that picture, you can see one direction light travels in straight line. So obviously, normally I use soft boxes, but for this I don't want to use soft boxes because that direct light effect can... In that photo, there's also one detail. The model has, I think, a black underwear. You cannot see it because of the contrast difference between white and black. It kind of covers. It's dark there, but you cannot tell if it's dark because of the shadow or black underwear. We wanted to play safe and we went with this black underwear, so we're gonna cover it. We're gonna make it disappear because this light will flash through this and then block. She knows how to pose already. Dear YouTube, she has nipple covers. Nipples are covered. There is no nudity here, okay? So don't block this video. And let me show you the wrong way of doing this first. If you had a normal, actually what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna snap a picture with my phone. A typical smartphone, iPhone situation. So I snap one photo. This is how it would normally look. If I was a person who calls himself photographer, I'll be taking her photos like this. To imitate that photo we showed you, I would do these type of photos. Or, let's say that you have a nice looking camera like this and you just want to do in auto mode. So I go to auto mode, I snap this picture, let's see, like that. This is how it looks. Jana, you want to see how it looks? That's what you get with in auto mode. But what we want to do is first take adjust our settings. We go to manual mode. My settings are, my ISO is 100 because I want to make it as dark as possible. By the way, the camera is there, but I'm talking there. I want to make it as dark as possible. So my ISO is 100 and my f point is 9 and I'm on the 200th of a second of a shutter speed. So if I take a picture without any flash, so I disconnect from the flash. If I take a picture in this environment, this is how it looks. Jana is also an amateur photographer, that's why I want to also show her. That's how it looks. Amazing, isn't it? That's great. That's how we darken the room. Yeah. Normally, as you can see, this is daylight in the room, but we want to show darkness. We kill all the ambient light because we want only this light to show. Now, I'm turning the flash on. Flash is on from here, but I turn it on my remote control. Now, it's all about you, Jana. Here we go. We are taking our first shot. I'm just gonna position her like that again, just like this. Maybe if I got beautiful. Can you scooch back a little bit there? So your feet should be here. Yeah, perfect. That's perfect. Same pose. You can relax your hand just there. That's perfect. Here we go. We are trying to imitate that shot and boom. You're gonna see it on your screen. Now she can also see it. It's gone. It's back. We're gonna do 3 quick shots just in case, but in one shot we worked it out. Light comes from here. I adjust it a little bit better direction, because with the small adjustments you can get completely different results. Here we go, like that. You're gonna look tall like this. I love this one.
Oh, that's nice.
This is our composition to create our art. Second pose we're gonna do, okay? You, as long as you keep your nipple covers, we can run on YouTube live. That's a way to do it, and I can get all these arch. So we are doing the second photo. Use any softener. I have kind of a strobe, not a softbox, to soften the light, because this is gonna be about softer shadows and softer light. Here we go. It's giving me her best pose like this. Beautiful, beautiful. I think you're gonna like it. See?
Mm-hmm.
But we want you right there. So then you have to your person. Okay. This should say, no, she's not. No, it's too late. I can always this is the picture. I want to no, these are muscles. You're fetching. Push. Yeah, but you turn more. Like this. Turn more. Get there. I like this one so much.
Yes.
You know what I mean? It's about the angle.
It's like
look,
really
from
like
this
water
to this.
and moon.
So you wanted less. Yeah.
Oh, we got it.
Yeah, of course. I can do that. Stay there. Stay outside. Actually, one. As you can see, let me show you my camera. Behind this camera, as you can see the light, there is a window. I'll show you guys quickly as I record this. So there's this window, and it's bright daylight. First, we wanted to do, as you can see in the original picture, we like to imitate respect to its respectful owner. We didn't want the window in the back, but we don't have anything dark around, and we just want this position. So what we have done is that bringing this light over here much closer to your subject. If you do that, it's a physical rule. When the light source is closer to the subject, immediately the background and everything around it gets darker. So that's one way to kill an ambient light, or if there's anything in the background very bright. So you get, if you had taken, let me show you one thing. For example, you see in the last image, I'm doing first person shot. So let's say that I put this here, I will just further anywhere. I'm gonna take the same shot, and you're gonna see, I'm gonna take the same shot, but the light is further over there, and you're gonna see the difference. We're gonna be able to see more window, more light, which we don't want in first place. Beautiful, beautiful. Yep, you can see the things in the background.
Oh, yeah.
And you can see the window frame clearly from this to this. So you gotta keep that in mind. If you want to disappear the background totally, keep your light source closer to your subject. If you have a beautiful model like that. Only works with beautiful models. Just kidding. We don't want to offend ugly
You know
people.
what I'm thinking?